How to achieve your desired score in any English proficiency test. First, improve your grammar knowledge. Second, understand the test format. Third, learn different type of strategies and techniques to solve different types of question. Fourth, give equal importance to each and every module. Fifth, know the time limit for all modules as well as know the time limit for different types of question. Sixth, prefer authentic and current study material. Seventh, know your mistake and work on all your mistakes. Eighth, do proper practice for each and every type of questions. Ninth, attend class test or do practice whole test at home. And last, 10th, do proper preparation. If you want to achieve a great result in any English proficiency test, please contact People's Overseas for that. Like this reel and share this reel as much as you can. And follow People's Overseas for more information like this.